Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Wheels. Today I'm going to be bashing the Arrma Vorteks 3S BLX again. We're at a little trail with some hills and mounds to use as ramps. We're going to be running the JLB Cheetah 3S LiPo battery. There is a street right over there. I apologize for any car noises you hear. Without further ado, let's bash this beast. Oh, there's a big root in the way. Oh, there goes a rabbit. Ooh, this is a great little place to bash. Oh my gosh, this root, I gotta watch out for it. Jeez, oh, that's way bigger than I thought it was. All right, well, looks like everything's all right. Right in the sand. This thing is so smooth. About half throttle. Oh geez, I almost went right in that root again. That would have been bad. That was like almost full throttle. Here we go. All the way down there. Let's bring it back. And brakes right before. Oh dang, it's covered in sand. Sand off. Oh, right on me. Oh! Ow, that hit my foot. Okay. The ABC is definitely helping keeping it straight. Okay, let's do a little flyby. I have my golf cart right over there that I drove. I don't want to hit that. Here we go. Oop, right over the root. It's fun, just up and down the trail. The AVC, it makes it so controllable. You know, it's so soft. Like watch, I'm not even gonna steer, ready? See, it just stays perfectly straight. Oh, that root. I'm getting eaten alive by bugs. I realize that this area is so confined, there's not much stuff to do, so I'm gonna make this video kind of short. Let's do a couple more jumps, then we'll end it. It drives so nice though. Even over such rough terrain, just glides. Ooh, ooh, right in the root. There's so many hidden roots. Off. Okay, let's do one more flyby and I think we'll be done. Full throttle, nope. Full throttle. Oh! This is fast. Full. My gosh. All right, I think we're gonna end the video at that. Let's take a look under the hood and see how dirty it is though. Not bad, not bad. We can clean it out later. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and power it off. Power the controller off. All right. Well guys, if you enjoyed that video of the bash of the Arrma Vorteks 3S BLX, don't hesitate to drop a like and subscribe. If you've watched this far in the video, that means that you enjoy my content and should really go check out some of my other videos. So as always guys, I hope you enjoyed. Farewell.